Hello dear students. So this is your Shruti teacher. We can continue the mathematics of 7th integer lesson of exercise 1.1. So these are the question. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here there is given a number line. We can see the number, observe the number line very carefully. There are the number line 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. They are written on the number line. That means 0 after directly they have not written a 1. Instead of that, there is a difference between 0 and 5. There is a 5 differences are there. 5 integers are there on the number line. That means each line indicate a 1 degree Celsius. So that's why they are written 5, 10, 15 and all. So here also we can observe 0 after before minus 5 minus 10. Here also there is a 5 differences between the each numbers. If this is the case, then let's go to the question. Question number A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So which are the places given on the number line? Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. So which are the temperature of the place marked on it? We have to mention it. So answer A is like this. So temperature of the places marked on it. Places temperature. So Bangalore. So we can observe the Bangalore number line here. So where is a Bangalore? Here is a Bangalore. So we have to count always the 0 after 5, 10, 15, 20. After 21, 22. Why it is? Because already I said before each line indicate 1 degree Celsius. So that is it is a 22 degree. So here written as a 22 degrees Celsius. Then go for the next place, Ooty. Next place, Ooty. So Ooty is the nearest number is 15. 15 before number 1. So that means minus 1. For 15 minus 1, 14. We can take as a 14 degree or else we can count the 10 after. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14. So by this also we can get a 14 degree. Before 15 also you can get the 14 degree. So here are written Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Then go for the Shimla. See the number line directly they are mentioned as a 5 degree Celsius. So this is the 5 degree Celsius. And about Srinagar. Go for the Srinagar. Srinagar 0 before line it is. That means how many before? 1, 2. So it is 0 before means minus 2 degree. Okay. So see the Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now Lahul Spiti we can see. It is before 0 degree or minus 5 degree. You can take minus 5 after minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So this is the Lahul Spiti. You can see the minus 80 degree. So these are the temperature of the places marked on it is. Then go for the B question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? We all know that before number and after number and biggest and smallest number. Always in integer, what is the biggest number in a positive means? It is a positively high, numerically bigger number. But in comparing to the positive number, in a negative integers, which is a bigger and smaller means So bigger means which is a smaller in numerally but it is negative. That is a bigger compared to the higherly negative numerical number. So then, for example, I'll take you example. Minus 2 is greater than minus 5. So numerically, even though 5 is bigger than 2, but minus is a negative. So this is a very small number here. So clear? So here we have to search which is the hottest and which is the coldest. Hottest here, Bangalore is the hottest and numerically bigger number, but it is negative, that is a smaller number. So Lahul Spiti is a coldest place. Here we have written already the temperature of the hottest place Bangalore 22 degree, the temperature of coldest place Lahul Spiti. Difference means, so difference we can take, so hottest is 22 degree, my difference minus 8 is the coldest, difference is. So in the subtraction already we have written what, first integer write as it is, difference. If there is a subtraction, change the integer sign after the subtraction sign, that is plus 8, then is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree here. So this is your answer. We have written 30 degree. So next go for the C question. What is the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So see the table, where is the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar difference. So minus 8 is a Lahul Spiti, difference of Srinagar. Same whatever you did in the before, write first integer as it is, change the sign after the subtraction sign, plus 2. So here 1 is a minus, 1 is a plus, means take a difference of the numerals. 8 minus 2 is directly 6, which is numerically bigger, 8 and 2. So 8 is a bigger numeral. So that sign we have to keep, that is minus 6 degree here. So here is a, I have written the temperature of Srinagar is minus 8, minus 2. The temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8. So difference, same thing I have written. So that is your 6 degree. Then go for the D question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than temperature at Srinagar? See, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Taken together in the sense we have to add it. Together means adding the Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature at Shimla. If you add Srinagar and Shimla, can you get the less compared to Shimla or not? We have to check. After that, is it also less than the Srinagar? We have to check. So first we have to add Srinagar and Shimla. Whether the answer comes less than Shimla or less than Srinagar, we have to check. See, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together we have to take, means I said positive. So Srinagar is plus 5 degree plus minus 2 degree. So as it is 5 degree as it is, you write. So positive means there is no change of sign of minus 2 degree. That's why it is directly minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 degree. So this 3 degrees is less than Shimla or less than Srinagar. So 3 degree is always a less than 5 degree positive. So it is a less than Shimla. Then 3 is greater than minus 2. So it is not less than Srinagar. So that we have written in the answer here. Okay. Detailedly we have written in the answer. So go for the next question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in a 5 successive rounds were 25 minus 5 minus 10 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? Total means we have to add all the marks scores here. So Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds, 25, 5 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10 already I have written. Total means adding in the sign of addition also we have written already. Then we can consider the C. C 25 already we have written. There is a plus sign between integers, in the sense there is no change of the integer sign. Minus 5, minus 10, plus 15 and plus 10. If this is the case, first add the positive integer first. Which are the positive integers? 25, 15 and 10 together first. It becomes easy to you while adding the integers and subtracting the integers. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So this is a positive. Then add the negative integers, keeping the negative sign. 5 plus 10 is 15. So directly you can get one is a positive, one is negative, means subtract numerically in a bigger number, smaller number you subtract. So that is your 35 answer. If this is the case, then which is a bigger numeral here? 50. 50 is a positive, that's why it is positive 35. So here I have written directly 35 degree. Got it how the 35 answer came? So thus the 35 marks are got by Jack in a quiz. Now go for the third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped. Dropped means it comes minus 2 degree compared to minus 5 on Tuesday. What was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 40 degree, means roses means addition. What was the temperature on this day? So first we have to find the what was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday. That means dropping means it is subtraction. We have to take the subtraction between the minus 5 and minus 2. See, on Monday temperature was minus 5. Drop means minus of 2 degree. Okay, so what is the answer? Minus 5. There is a sign minus 2 degree. So together both are negative, means we have to add and keeping a minus. So it becomes minus 7 degree. So what was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday on Srinagar? So it is minus 7 degree. Then go for the next question in that only. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degree. So already minus 7 degree on Tuesday. We got it. Again, rose means addition of 4 degree. Okay. Then what was the temperature on that day? So minus 7 as it is keeping. So plus 4 also keep as it is, because there is an addition between the integers. There is no change of sign. So minus 7 and plus 4, there is a minus 1 is minus 1, 1 is plus. So directly subtract numerals. 7 minus 4 is 3, which is bigger numeral. 7 is a bigger numeral here. So that sign we can keep. So that is the answer of Wednesday, minus 3 degree Celsius. Okay, understood? See the fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So usually we will consider the number line in the sea level also. Sea level we can take as a 0, and the plane is flying above the 5,000 meter, and its submarine is floating below the sea level 1200 meter. That means 0 below, in the sense minus 1200 it represents. If it is above means it is a positive, it is negative. Keep it in mind. There is a question is what is the vertical distance between. When the distance between they ask means we have to take the difference between the numbers. So here height of the place above the sea level is 5000 meter. Floating submarine below the sea level is 1200 meter. The vertical distance between, so 500 from here, 500 plus 5000 plus 1200 we have to take it. Even though it is a minus 1200 also it comes answer same. How I'll show here. See, if you take a 5000 minus of minus 12, there is a difference, then only we can get the distance between. So 5000 as it is, minus of minus plus 1200, it will come on directly 1200. Here also we are written as a directly positive 1200. How it comes I am telling. Usually 1200 is a negative integer, but difference when you take that you'll get the distance. Okay, you'll get answer 6200 meter. There is a difference between distance between the submarine and water level and the plane. Okay, now go for the fifth question. Mohan deposits. Deposit means it is positive. When withdraw means it is negative. Consider on his bank account and withdraws 1000 rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal amount from the account is represented by the negative integer, so already they said here it is a withdraw means negative integer we have to consider. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? If withdrawal is a negative integer in the sense, we can consider the amount deposited as a positive itself only. That only the question. Find the balance in the Mohan's accounts after the withdrawal. Okay, so deposits amount 2000 and withdrawal amount 1642. So balance is 2000 minus 1642. Subtract it, you'll get the balance amount in the account. Already I said what was the answer. Then how will you represent the amount deposited means it is positive only, not necessary to mention it. So answer balance is 358. So go for the 6. So briefly I am going to explain. So there is a short time, that's why. Go for the sixth question. Rita goes 20 kilometer towards east. See, we can always consider the east, west, north, south. Like this we will consider. Okay. Keep it in mind always. Always in the east, west, north and south. So 20 kilometer towards the east from a point A. Already they are mentioned here. Point A from this is west to the point B. Sorry, it is not like that. Rita goes 20 kilometer east from A to B. From B, she moves 30 kilometer towards. First, she goes A to B. Then from B to west along the same road. So it is 30 kilometer and this is 20 kilometer. Keep it in mind. If the same distance towards east, again east represented by the positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? It is directly negative. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? So now where she is exactly we have to show it. So keep it in mind. Once again I'll explain you the question. First, Rita goes from the A point to the A as a 20 kilometer. Then after from B, same road using 30 kilometer she'll go. Again, the distance east is represented as a positive, means directly it is negative only. Okay. So question is, by which integer will you represent her final position from A, means what is her final position? Okay, that we have to take. So see the answer. According to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by the positive integer, but she moves opposite direction, means Rita moves west, is represented by usually negative integer only. So A to B is 20 kilometer, B to C is 30 kilometer. Distance from A to C is directly 20 minus 30, that is minus 10 kilometer. So thus Rita is at final position from A to C is minus 10 kilometer. See the seventh question. In a magic square, each row, column and the diagonal have the same sum. Sum means addition. Keep it in mind always. Check which of the following is a magic square. Magic square in the sense, usually you'll learn the Sudoku from the newspaper and all. You'll play with it also. Here is a magic square, means there is a addition of vertically and horizontally, answers come same. Even though the diagonals also answers some should be same. That is called as a magic square. You learn how to create a magic square in the higher classes. Here, whether it is a magic square or not, we have to check here by adding the rows and columns here, even though it is diagonals. So first question, I'll take the rows. 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. So already I said, when a 5 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 4 means we have to add the same integers, means negative integer. 5 plus of minus 5. Okay. So 1 is a plus, 1 is minus, means 5 minus 5, 0. Automatically answers come same. So we should need all the vertically, so rows wise and column wise and diagonal wise should be 0 answer, then only it is magic square. Let us check once again. So minus 2 minus 5 plus 7. So minus 2 minus plus of minus 2 means minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus 7. What is the answer? Minus 2 plus, sorry, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, plus of minus 7 becomes 0. So that is your 0 answer. Again go for the 0 plus 3, this one, plus 3 plus of minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0 only. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Here is your 0 answer. Now column wise we have to take. Okay, this column, 5 plus of minus 1, sorry, minus 5 of plus 0. So plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. You'll get a 0 here. Okay. Then go for second column, that is minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. That means minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Of plus 3 is becomes 0 here. So again see the third column, minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. So minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, plus 7 becomes 0 here. So all rows and columns becomes 0 here. Then word diagonals, we can take the diagonals here. So 5 plus minus 2 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is, wait, somewhere it is wrong. I have taken a wrong integer. So 5 minus 2, 5 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 3. See 5 as it is, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So it becomes 0. So there is the magic square of this box. First question. In the same way we can check the second box. It is homework. Already I have written the solution. So go through it, calculate and find the answer here. So I'll go for the next question. There is second box also, magic square. We'll get. So next question number 8. Verify a minus of minus b should be equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. So already we know mathematically, but we have to prove it. So here a is a 21 and b is 18. We have to add it. So that becomes a plus b. 21 plus 18 is, you'll get a answer is 39. So this should come as a same. How? So 21 minus of minus 18 also should come same means. Already we know that in addition and subtraction of integer, write first integer as it is. If there is a subtraction sign between the integer means, so subtraction sign after whichever the integer should come, so change that sign and write. So it is a negative, so keep it as a positive, it becomes positive. Or when you multiply the integer sign, minus into minus also plus, you can write like that. So you'll get the answer is 39. So by verifying, can get the a minus of minus b should always equal to a plus b. In the same way, you can go for the second question. 118 minus of minus 125. Okay, so write as it is first integer. Because of this subtraction sign, this sign will change as a minus to plus 125 degree, 125 integer. So if you add these, you'll get a 243 answer. You can check. Or directly if you add 118 plus 125, you'll get the same answer only. Isn't it? Sorry, 25. Okay. You can check C and D also. You'll get a, by verifying those are LHS equal to RHS in a systematical way we can write. So next go for the question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal in a box to the make the statements true. So whether it is true or not, by writing the symbols we have to write. If it is true, equal means we can keep a equal. So for that we have to check whether the sum gives the same LHS or equal to RHS or not. If it is greater than, keep a greater than sign. If it is a less than, keep a less than sign. Or if it is equals, so keep equal signs. Okay. So start doing it. Take minus 8 of plus of minus 4. What is the answer? What is the answer? Both are negative means add the numerals and keep negative. 4 plus 8 is 12. So it gives a minus 12. Whether minus 8 minus of minus 4 gives the same answer or not. See, there is a difference means the next integer sign will change usually. So minus 8 plus 4. So there is a difference. 8 minus 4 is 4. Bigger numeral sign we have to keep as a minus 4. So this minus 12 and a minus 4 is not equal. So which is greater number or less number here? Minus 4 is a greater. So we have to keep a less than sign there. So minus 12 is less than minus 4. So here less than comes. Okay. So here is the answer we have written. So in the same way, we can go for the second B question. Minus 3 plus 7 as it is, minus 19 as it is, 15 minus 8. Because of this plus, minus 9 as it is only will come. So minus 9. So add it. Usually what is the answer? Minus 3 minus 19 becomes minus 22 plus 7 is equal to how much? And even you must write the here also 15 minus 8 minus 9 becomes minus 17. So add it, you will get a solution here. There is the answer. 4 minus 19, 15 minus 17 gives minus 17 and minus 2 LHS and RHS. Okay. If this is the case, which is bigger number here? So both are negative means which is numerically smaller negative, that will be the greater. So that's why minus 15 is less than minus 2. Okay. Now same way we can check the C and D, E. So I will go for the last question. 10th question. Little bit complicated, but it is very interesting if you understand. See, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step we can consider. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down. See, first I'll explain you the main question. There is a water tank here. Okay, there are the steps like this inside. So monkey is sitting in the first step. So somewhere it is only considered as a 9th step. Here there is a water. Inside also water is there. Consider. Okay. He jumps 3 steps down. So 1, 2, 3 like this. And then jumps 2 steps back. 1, 2 again it will go. Okay. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So if he going down 3 steps, again going back 2 steps, how many steps, how many jumps he can go to reach the water level to drink? After drinking the water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? So first see the question of first one. He jumps 3 steps down. So that we can consider as a positive. Going back in the sense negative. Okay. This is the first jump. It is a second jump. Like this you can also consider. Okay. What is the answer? 3 minus 2 plus 1. Again it comes in. These are the position. Keep it in mind. These minus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. These all are the consideration of the steps, counting steps. Okay. Again it comes the first position, but it is the first jump, second jump. So at the second jump it comes as there plus 1. Again it will jump as a plus 3. It comes as a fourth step. We come to know that at 9th we must get the answer plus 9. Till that how many jumps you must count it. Okay. So here are the picture, you can observe. His monkey is jumping. 1, first jump, second jump, third jump. Okay. 3 steps. So 3 steps means it is a 1 jump. See. So you may get confused here by seeing this picture. See, have written like this. First jump, in the first place 1 plus 3 is 4 steps he will go. It is a first jump we can consider. Then in the second jump, 4 minus 2, again it will going back, no, second step it will come again. Again in a third jump, from second to third jump it will go, fifth steps. Fourth, in the fourth jump, from fifth again it is going back, so again it goes reach the third step only. Again in a fifth jump, from third to third down it will go, it is a positive. Sixth step it will reach, again it will go back because one step is positive, one step is negative. So 6 minus 2 is a 4, it is the sixth jump. In a seventh jump it is plus 3 again, 7 step it will come. Again in a eighth jump, 7 minus 2, 5. Here like this. At a ninth jump, 5 plus 3, 8 step. 8 in a ninth jump, 8 minus 2, 6 steps it will go. In the 11th jump, 6 plus 3, 9. So see, at the 11th jump it will get the 9th steps, means he will reach the water to drink there. Okay, in how many jumps he will reach the water? 11th jump. You can do this activity at home also. Somewhere you are having the steps or staircase in your at home, you can count it by like that also. By going down 3 steps, consider as a first jump, going back to second, so jump the counting. Okay, if helping your, take a help of your friend or your sister or brothers. Okay, so second question. Again after drinking the water, he'll go the same thing here, but instead of 3 steps down, here it will go 4 jumps up and 2 jumps down here. So here you can see the picture. So he is at 9th position. Consider 4 step he'll go like this, 1 2 3 4. At 5th it is a first jump, again it will go back, second jump. Again from here, from 7th, from here only, again by 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, again going back, this is the first, second, this is the third jump, and in the fourth jump going back. Again from here, fifth jump, it will come to the same position. So this is how in the fifth jump he will come the same fifth jump. So now third question was, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integer represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. So what is the answer we have to write here? So there is a fill in the blank. We have to represent the answer. In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? So we have to check the answers. See, you must get, already I said. See, minus 3 means down, positive up. Like this you must get a 8. So already we got as a 11th jump as the answer, means we have to write the 11th times the numbers. That means it is a first jump, second jump, in the third jump, fourth, like this and so on. We are written as a till plus 2. We'll get a minus 8. Clear? So once again I'll explain you. So minus 3 down, first jump. In the second jump, positive 2 in the second jump. Third jump, minus 3. Fourth jump, minus 2, and so on till the 11th jump we have to write as a positive 2 is equal to minus, get answer will get here. In the same way, here 5 jumps, it will come same. So this is how we can consider the jumping. So while you when you want to understand this question, by practically you must do it, then only you can understand. Okay, instead of a monkey, think you are only that monkey, but you are not monkey, you are very our good students. You will do it and you'll show me the results. Okay, so by practically you must jump and count it, consider it and write it. Okay, thank you once again. This completes the first exercise. So we shall continue in the next exercise or next video. Thank you. Bye.